Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here, and today I've got something really special for you because for the next couple of days I'm going to open up one of my premium products to all of you 100% free of charge, and this is my 7-day fat loss kickstart program. And I've decided to do this because I still get so many emails and so many comments of people that just don't know how to actually kickstart their fat loss, or they're complete beginner and they just don't even know where to get started. Well, this 7-day premium product will help you and teach you step by step how to kickstart your fat loss for the final time. And when you come and join today at 6weeksixpack.com/kickstart, you will get daily coaching videos so that you know exactly what to do every single day. You will get a complete 7-day workout and exercise routine. You will learn how to build healthy habits, which, by the way, is the secret to maintaining your results, not just after these 7 days, but for the rest of your life. I will teach you the best supplements to use for beginners, if any, so that you don't waste time on expensive supplements that won't get you results. And I'm also going to teach you the 3 most important foods that you need to avoid when you're just getting started if you want to get the best possible results. So if you're ready to finally kickstart your weight loss and you're looking for a complete 100% free program that will give you everything you need to kickstart your fat loss for the final time, then come and join the 7-day fat loss kickstart program at 6weeksixpack.com/kickstart. For the next couple of days, I'm going to make it 100% free of charge so that I can help as many of you and so that I can just show you step by step how to actually start losing weight properly, because these first 7 days is vitally important for long-term results. So come and join thousands of people who've already joined this program over the last few years. People who, as you can see on the screen right now, got great results just in the first 7 days. And you can do so right now at 6weeksixpack.com/kickstart.